How to know if someone has restricted you on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can know if someone has restricted us on Instagram. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can check that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to know if someone has restricted you on Instagram, there are certain processes you may follow, certain methods that you may need to follow. So first of all, you just need to head over to the post of that person and you may just comment random anything for now and send it. After you have commented on that post, ask other people, his followers, if you're friends with one of his followers, just ask him if your comment is visible on that post or not. If it is not visible, there is most likely chance that person has restricted you on their Instagram. The next thing is you will just head over to the chat section here. After going to the chat section, you will be able to find that person's chat. Just scroll over there, and if both of your activity status is on, you should be able to see your activity status. But if that person has restricted you, you won't be able to see your activity status of that particular person. If that person has turned on their activity status but has restricted you, then there is probably a chance that person has restricted you. Another thing is just type in a text to that person, and if you type in a text and if that person has restricted you, then your message won't be able to see a send message if that person has not turned off read received option. And if that person has viewed your DM, but if that person has restricted you, you won't be able to see the seen below the message that you just sent. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to know by these methods that if that person has restricted you on Instagram or not. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.